Hey designers, let's warp text in an object. Take the text tool. Write your text. Select the font. Make sure the object or the shape is in the front or on the top.
I'll select the shape in the text. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with top object. OK. Write another text. You need to make sure that the text layer is below the shape. The shortcut key to send backward is Ctrl Shift and left square bracket. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with top object. Again repeat the same. Write the text. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with top object. Write the text. Coffee. Make with top object. And the last one. Magic. Make with top object. Don't leave without liking this video.